Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's quick video, I will show you how to install the Microsoft Outlook app on your Android mobile phone fast and easy. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store. Now tap the search icon at the bottom right. Navigate to your search engine at the top and type Microsoft Outlook. Now tap the app from Microsoft Corporation. It has a blue envelope icon. Then tap Install. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. And from here, you can sign in with the Microsoft Gmail or Yahoo account or even add more later. And that's it. The Microsoft Outlook app is now installed and ready to go on your Android device. If this video helped, give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.